Hi everyone, I'm Dante. In today's video, I'm gonna make a VBA data entry form in Microsoft Excel with edit and delete. In my past video, you only saw two buttons, which are the save and reset. Now, I'll add two buttons for edit and delete. So without further ado, let's go to the VBA window to start executing the program. We will add two buttons here. Just go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, Far and Form. We'll arrange this. Click one button. Go to Properties and rename the first button. CMD Edit Accelerator E Caption Edit. Same goes for delete button. CMD delete accelerator D caption delete. Now we are finished renaming the buttons. We will go to filling the codes. So click the module and at the bottom we'll fill codes to function the button of edit and delete only. Type in function selected underscore list bracket as long. When press enter, end function appear. That means the rule of function procedure is running. Alright. Now we declare or fill the command inside the bracket, the dim I as long. Dim I as long means we declare the dim I as long and allocates the storage space for the edit and delete. Even though the Excel is sensing the mistake of the data, it will wait the button to be clicked and cycle still continue without broken. The code selected underscore list equals 0. Therefore, we declare for I equals 0 to rm for dot list database dot list count minus 1. This formula here, you selected edit or delete. Edit means you modify the data. That's why this is 0. This is for edit. And for delete, it means that you remove the data. That's why our list count minus 1. If our form list database dot select I equals true, then selected underscore list equals I plus 1. This formula, when you type and press save button, it will go directly to the database. That's why I plus 1. If none, exit 4 and F, next I, end function. It means to end the function procedure. Alright, we'll fill code of edit and delete. Just go to FRM form and click 2 times. And go to edit, click 2 times. We'll fill a pop-up message in this bracket. Let's type in if selected underscore list equals 0, then message box selected VB OK plus VBA information edit. Okay, alright. If you want to edit only some information but not the entire record, but you forgot to select a data, then the pop-up message appear, no record were selected. That's why this is 0. Exit sub and F, we put code to update the value of respective controls. We declare the gender as string. Gender as string. Me the xt number value equals selected underscore list plus 1. As I said before, we fill code to update the value of respective controls. Respective controls means their gender. We can identify them of what gender they belong to by their name. So we put formula me dot txt id value equals list database dot list open parenthesis me list database dot list index 1. We'll copy this and paste, change ID to name and the number. As gender equals list database list open parenthesis me list database dot list index gender equals female, then me copy t female dot value equals true, else me copy t male dot value equals true, and now we are finished filling the respective controls as we declared the dim is gender, and we put here end f, so not yet end. Alright, so we put the code of mother's maiden name, father's name, department, qualification, city, state, and country. Let's type in me CNP mother's maiden name, mother the value equals me less database less me less database less index form. We copy this and paste 2 times. Copy, paste, paste. We replace mother to father, and the number is 5, and this we replace qualification. CMB we replace it to txt because this is a text box. Txt, and we change this number to 6. We copy this again, copy, paste for department, for city, state, country. Replace this with department. Number is 7. We replace this with txt, city, and the number is 8. Txt, state, number is 9. Txt, country, 10. We add the previous department. Copy, message box. Okay, only VB. Okay, only plus VB information. It. Alright, let's debug. Compile VBA project. Compile error method or data member not found. Let's go back to our info. Let's check which one. CMD save. CMD save. CMD reset. CMD edit. CMD delete. And make the adjustment for the text box for the row number. Click text box. Go to properties, rename txt row number, double click edit. Let's check if it's running well. Go to debug, compile VBA project. Alright, okay, it is running well. Alright, we are finished filling the edit. Now we go forward to delete button. Double click if our inform, double click delete. We fill the code of message box for delete. Enter F underscore list equals 0, then message box no data, no record, were selected. VB okay only plus VB information. Here, if you want to delete only some information but not the entire record, but you forgot to select a data, then the pop-up message appear. No record were selected. That's why this is 0. Now exit sub, and if we declare I as dim I as VB message box result. I equals message box. Do you want to delete VB is not as VB question. Animation. If I equals this one checks base rows selected score less plus 1 that delete all reset message box selected record were deleted. Now, we have finished filling the string of code of delete. We go forward to module, double click. Here in submit, we add a string of code that can be nested to the additional buttons. Not only this, but to the future modifications we make as we level up, in order also our project to be running and operational. Type in frm form dot text row number value equals, then else I row equals form.txt number value and f. This is the nest right for the modification, right? And since we have a modification, we put count A. Count A counts the number of cells that are not empty and the values within the list. Values means the words that we type inside the database. Okay, we scroll up a little bit and subreset and put code that displays the standard save as dialog box and gets a file name from the user without actually saving any files. That txt row number that value equals Let's debug. It looks like our program is running well. Click Run Sub-User Form or press F5. Go to View Microsoft Excel or press Alt F11. This is not to be visible. We'll hide this. Go back to Visual Basic. Before in form, click text box. Go to left so that no data can enter. True. And go to visible. True. False. Make it false. Then we go back. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's gone. Okay, let's check. My name. Male. Mother's name. Juliana. Arikami. Aliso. Father's name. Qualification 34, Department Accounting, City, Cebu City, State, Central Visayas, Country, Philippines, Previous Department Accounting. Let's save. Do you want to save? Yes. You can see here in our database it appears also here in our list box. Okay, we try again. Name, my daughter's name, female, mother's name, father's name, qualification, bachelor degree, department accounting, city, Lipata, Meta, Cebu, State, Central Visayas, country, Philippines, previous department, accounting, then save. Do you want to save? Yes. Here, let's try again. Angelica, female, mother's name, Jennifer, Quezon, Patoy, father's name, qualification, bachelor's degree, department accounting, safety, Lipata, Cebu, State, Central Visayas, country, Philippines, previous department, counting, save. You want to save? Yes. Now we we like to we'd like to edit this. Oh, debug for information. This is Bowen, and this is data text row number value. We go here. That value here, that value. Let's check again. Debug here, run. So we will check. We would like this to edit. Don't forget to click save button after editing. Okay, so I will edit this. I will try to remove my name, my surname left. Save. Do you want to save? Yes. Now you see here my name is disappear. Also here, the same as here. Okay, it seems our program is working very well. So next test, we would like to test the delete. Do you want to delete? Yes. Selected record were deleted. Okay, as you've noticed, my name here is deleted, also here in the database. Okay, alright, here